chicken friends.
She wants chicken friends?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She says, out there.
You think she wants out of there right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think she might settle down on those eggs. We'll have to see.
Yeah.
If she settles down on those eggs, then she can raise chicks for us. What do you think of that?
Oh, yeah.
You want to have some chicks in there?
And little tiny kitties.
Yeah.
I can hold them, and Anna can hold them.
Yeah. Well, yeah, as long as she lets you, because she'll be guarding them.
And they're our favorite.
You like the babies?
Yeah. And they poop a lot.
They do poop a lot.
And we wish that they go in our house.
We have had them in our house because we've hatched eggs in an incubator too. But I think the mamas hatch eggs better than your mommy hatches eggs.
This mommy?
I think the chicken mamas hatch the eggs better than your mama does.
This mommy?
Yeah.
You?
Do I hatch eggs?
No.
No, except in an incubator.
Yeah.
So do you think she'll sit on those eggs for us?
I think she do.
She's been wanting to all week, hasn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah, you've been picking her up and moving her around.
Yeah, that's a broody girl.
It is a broody girl. Because she wants baby chickens.
Last time, the roosters was laying time to lay eggs.
The roosters were trying to lay eggs?
Yeah.
Do roosters lay eggs?
No.
No.
They're boys.
They are boys, you're right.
And they're mean.
They can be mean sometimes. They want to protect the girls.
And I'm not taste them.
Yeah, you don't want to chase them.
I'm not to taste them.
That's a good idea.
And last time, Chaser was here.
Chaser was here?
Yeah. And we taught him Chaser.
Yeah.
And he went to me. He's a mean one.
He was a mean one. What happened to him?
And he got at that just in that animal's house. At animal's house now.
At an animal's house now?
Not animals!
Oh, sorry. What? Hey. It's okay.
At animal's house.
Yeah?
At animal's house.
Amber's house?
Yeah.
Oh, did Chaser go? I thought the nice rooster went to Amber's house.
No.
I thought Chaser went to the freezer.
No, we ate him.
Yeah, exactly.
We ate him.
Yeah, we did.
And he was so yummy.
You like roosters?
Yeah.
You like to eat roosters?
Yeah, that's yummy.
Mm.
And they have chicken games. They have some yummy bodies to eat.
Yeah.
And they have crust. And they have crusty bottoms.
Crusty bottoms?
Yeah. And they have crust in them.
Yeah. What else do they have inside them?
Chicken.
Chicken, the meat?
Yeah. I really like them.
You like to
yummy.
eat chicken?
I think it's come out poop.
And they sometimes poop, yeah.
On me.
Yeah. On you?
Not on me.
That would be yucky, wouldn't it?
Yeah. They shake it off like that. And I will put up in the sky in the moon.
Yeah.
Then it drops on right here.
On the ground?
Yeah.
Do you like collecting eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like eating eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is your favorite way to eat an egg?
Bake it.
Bake it?
Yeah, bake it.
You like quiche?
Oh, yeah, I do.
Okay. You say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
See you next time.